welcome back to my channel. It's me Reem and I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I will be doing a very natural nude makeup look, and it looks very simple, fresh, everyday makeup look, you could say. This makeup routine is especially for those beauties who doesn't like to wear much makeup, who likes to keep minimal yet presentable. I hope you're getting my point. So okay, that's it for my detailing part. So now I'm gonna showing you how to transform from this to this. Okay, so first I like to prep my skin before doing my makeup. So for that I'm using this mist. It is Mario Badescu skincare and it's a facial mist, and it has aloe herbs and rose water, which is very good for calming your skin. Now I'm gonna spray that on my face. Next I'm going to apply my moisturizer. So for moisturizer I'm using this Garnier anti wrinkle one, and it is very good guys for people who have dry combination acne prone skin. You can use this. Like I have dry skin, super dry skin, and it does wonder to my skin and it makes my skin healthy. So I really like to using this. It is very affordable as well. It cost me around 230 I guess. I will mention the correct price on the screen as well. As you can see, I have almost finished this moisturizer. I'm gonna apply this here and here and here. Moisturizing your skin, it is really important guys. Next I'm using this Color Bar primer, and it is their perfect match primer, and it has silicone like texture. It is very good for all skin types. So I'm gonna take some amount on my finger and I'm gonna apply this primer on my nose, forehead and chin area. Okay, the job of a primer is blur out and smoothen out your skin and your makeup. And also it creates a barrier to your skin and your makeup. I'm done with my skincare, so now I'm going to doing my base. So for that, I'm going to use this Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh foundation from L'Oreal Paris. I'm gonna shake this a bit, taking one palm. This foundation is very lightweight. It gives you medium to full coverage and perfect for beginners. I personally like to use Beauty Blender for blending my foundation. You can use either a brush or Beauty Blender. Just make sure you are using a damp beauty sponge, and the right technique is light hand and dabbing motion. Take whatever concealer you have. I'm taking here Sugar Cosmetic Concealer in the shade 15, and I'm going to apply this concealer in my inner corner and outer corner. You wanna make sure you are doing it very softly. You can use your finger to blend it out as well, but I'm using here my same beauty sponge from Benefit, and I'm not gonna applying any concealer over my lid or face. Whatever remaining on my beauty blender, I'm just applying it very lightly. And if I'm talking about the texture of this concealer, it's really lightweight, it's very easy to blend, plus it gives you that amazing coverage, like full coverage. So next I'm just setting my under eyes and my face very quickly. For that I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade light medium. I'm gonna take some loose powder and dust the excess. And I'm just lightly gonna set my under eyes. This is such a brilliant loose powder guys. You can definitely go for this one. I have dry skin, so I don't like to set my foundation much. Whatever remaining on my brush, I'm just slightly set my whole face with this. So for brows, I'm using this Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade brown. This is how the pencil is look like. It has this spoolie side and the pencil side, and this pencil is so cheap guys. Oh my god, it's so pigmented as well. Total पैसा वसूल बोले तो. I have very thick brows, so I don't like to fill much. This is the best eyebrow pencil in the affordable section. And trust me guys, this is better than other expensive pencils. Now I am taking this Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and let me tell you guys, this is my most favorite bronzer from Benefit. And for this look मेरे को ज़्यादा heavy contouring नहीं करनी, so I just keep it natural. Then I am taking the same bronzer as my crease eyeshadow, and I'm just applying the shadow on my crease area and blend it just like that. Now I am taking this e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size palette in the shade Cream and Sugar, and this palette has 2 shimmer and 2 matte. I'm taking that shimmer shade to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Gonna take this basic brown shadow. You can again take your bronzer for it, but bronzer is too light for my lower lash line, so you can use any palette whatever you have. Again I'm taking that shimmer shade to highlight my face, and this palette is super pigmented guys. It's also very travel friendly. Just one small bite size palette and you are good to go. Now I'm gonna blend my highlighter with the Damn Beauty sponge. I'm just slightly dabbing it for natural finish. So I don't want to apply any sort of blush for this look, because as you can see the bronzer already gives me very nice effect of blush. मैं इसको ऐसे ही रखूँगी. Now we are gonna move on to mascara, and for mascara I'm using here the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I'm just coating my lashes. If you are a mascara girl, you can definitely go for this mascara. I just love it. Let me just tell you, it is one of the best mascara drugstore ever have. Like seriously, I just love this mascara so much because it just gives me perfect volume and length as well. I will definitely recommend this to you guys, like must buy. So moving on to lips now. So for lip contour, I'm using this pencil from K Beauty, and this is in the shade Romance. If you know me personally guys, I just love K Beauty as a brand because K Beauty have such good packaging, such good quality and such good product as well. Showing you the swatch. So as you can see, it's a very nice brown nude pencil. So I just love it. I just love the color. As you can see, it's very pigmented, very buttery. So you can use any lip pencil that you have. I'm gonna line my lips according to my natural lip shapes to enhance my lips and make it look slightly pouty. And filling this lip liner on my lips. Make sure you apply lip balm before applying this lip pencil. Next, I am taking this Maybelline Super Stray Ink Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Amazonian 70. You can even skip this step because you already contour your lips, and if you want to apply you can, otherwise you can skip it. You can see how pigmented is this. Lie in my center of lips and buff it with help of my finger. So this lipstick are very long lasting guys. They are totally matte. As you can see, the color payoff is amazing. Like it doesn't feel sticky on your lips. Just make sure you apply moisturizer on your lips very well. It's time to fixing my makeup. So for fixing my makeup, I'm going to use this setting spray from Faces Canada. Just shake it a bit. I'm gonna spray this setting spray on my face for long lasting makeup. Let it dry. Okay guys, this is the final result. As you can see, I just love how this makeup looks. It is so timeless, effortless. You can literally wear this anywhere, like you can wear this in your college party, in your office party. I think this would look super good because you are not covering up too much. I'm a big fan of this makeup look because इस look के लिए आपको ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं चाहिए, ज़्यादा टाइम भी आपका स्पेंड नहीं होगा. I hope you are enjoyed to watching my this makeup look. See you in my next video. So please leave me a suggestion down below and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So yeah guys, please subscribe and hit that bell icon.